criminal justice system has a hold of him. And so he's got to be in court. You know, the campaign is his court stops, and his court appearances are his campaign. And so he'll campaign on Wednesdays and the weekends, and then he'll continue to make these statements. Problem with him making these statements is that he may be in violation of the gag order, and there's a hearing next week about that, and there are more charges brought by the prosecution that he ought to be sanctioned for violating the court's gag order. We'll have to see. The criminal justice reality is that this is a fraud case. It's not a hush money case. Doesn't matter what people think about it. Prosecutors have discretion, and right now he's facing 34 felony counts of fraud. This is a business fraud case. Easy to prove. I don't care how strong or weak it is, but if he gets convicted, he's going to jail. He may be the president, he may be the Republican nominee, but let me tell you what Donald Trump is thinking about. Donald Trump is thinking about his liberty, and picking this jury is a crucial part of the criminal justice process. He's got to beat these charges, regardless of what the political rhetoric is around it. These prosecutors aren't taking orders from the White House or some Svengali who says
Really?
we're out to get Donald Trump. These are all separate independent investigations and prosecutions.
Oh, sure they are, Scott.
Remember,
Sure they are.
watch this.
Yeah.
November 22nd, Donald Trump entered the race to be the Republican nominee. All four of these cases were under significant and public investigation. Donald Trump entered this race to avoid criminal prosecution because of his bad conduct. But in the end, it'll be up to the jurors to decide. They're going to get 12 jurors and 6 in this first business fraud case. Regardless of what the public thinks, the criminal justice system is going to do its job. And if he gets convicted, it's more likely than not that he's going to be sentenced to incarceration. These are facts, not political rhetoric.